In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. If you'd like to display what you're listening to from Apple Music on your Discord profile, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Just follow along carefully, and you'll have everything set up in just a few minutes. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar at the top, type Apple Music to Discord, and then press Enter to search. You will see several results appear, but make sure you look for the official GitHub page. The page should be listed as something similar to Apple Music RPC on GitHub. Selecting the official page helps ensure you're using the correct project. After the GitHub page opens, take a moment to scroll down until you can see the right side of the page. There you'll find a section labeled Releases. This section contains the latest versions of the application. Click the Releases button to continue and view the available files. Once you're on the Releases page, you'll notice several files that are intended for different operating systems. Since this tutorial is for Windows users, look for the file named win64.zip. Click on that file, and your browser will begin saving it to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few moments. When the zip file has finished saving, open your Downloads folder and locate the file you just saved. Right-click on it and select Extract to unpack its contents. After the extraction process is complete, open the newly created folder. Inside, you'll see several files. Look for the file named Apple Music RPC. It will have an executable application icon, making it easy to identify. Double-click the Apple Music RPC file to launch the application. Once it opens, it will automatically connect Apple Music to your Discord account. If everything is set up correctly, your listening activity should begin appearing on Discord without requiring any additional configuration. If you don't see the connection immediately, give the application a few moments to initialize, and make sure both Apple Music and Discord are open on your computer. Keeping the application running while you're listening will help ensure your music status continues to update properly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.